Flying robots are no longer confined to science fiction. They are officially taking to the skies. The future of robotics and personal aviation took a massive leap forward as the Engine AI T800 humanoid robot was showcased riding aboard the Coolfly urban standing aircraft. This groundbreaking demonstration captured the bipedal robot dynamically maintaining its balance while the aircraft hovered and maneuvered mid-air, creating one of the most impressive collaborations between humanoid robotics and electric aviation ever seen. Unlike traditional drones carrying static payloads, the T800 constantly shifts its weight and center of gravity through real-time body movements. This presented a severe stability challenge, but Coolfly's advanced flight control system continuously compensated for these constant physical changes, keeping the aircraft remarkably level throughout the test flight. The companies describe this milestone as the dawn of embodied aero-intelligence, where humanoid robots and personal aircraft operate as a unified system. Future applications could revolutionize disaster response,